Hey there, are you ready to learn how to transform your space with vinyl plank flooring? Today, we're diving into a beginner-friendly guide on how to install vinyl plank flooring step by step. Whether you're looking to upgrade a room or take on your first home improvement project, stick around till the end for all the tips and tricks you need to know. Step 1. Gather your tools and materials. Before we start, ensure you have all your tools handy: measuring tape, utility knife, rubber mallet, spacers, and a straight edge. For materials, you'll need vinyl plank flooring, underlayment, if required, and adhesive, if necessary. Step 2. Prepare the room. Let's begin by clearing the room of furniture and ensuring the floor is clean and level. Step 3. Install the underlayment. If you're using underlayment, roll it out across the entire floor, overlapping seams slightly and taping them down securely. Trim any excess with a utility knife. Step 4. Plan your layout. Let's plan our layout by measuring and marking guidelines on the floor. Start laying your planks from the longest wall, keeping a 1/4 inch expansion gap along all edges for a professional finish. Step 5. Install the first row. Begin in the corner, placing the first plank with the tongue facing the wall. Use spacers to maintain the gap. Lock the second plank into the first and continue until the first row is complete. Step 6. Continue installation. As you move on to the following rows, stagger the planks for a seamless look. Measure and cut planks as needed using a utility knife and straight edge. Step 7. Around obstacles. When you encounter obstacles like door frames or vents, measure and mark planks for precise cuts. Use a jigsaw or utility knife to make these adjustments. Step 8. Finishing touches. Once all planks are in place, remove spacers and add any necessary transition strips. Take a moment to inspect the floor for gaps or loose planks, securing them as needed. Step 9. Clean up. Finally, replace furniture and clean up any debris. Step back and admire your beautifully installed vinyl plank flooring. You did it. Congratulations on completing your vinyl plank flooring installation. We hope this video has been informative and empowering for your next DIY project. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy renovating.